Good morning, class 9. Today we start with our session number 8, add shapes in a presentation. So let's begin our topic. So first topic arise. पहली बात तो ये आती है कि हमें ज़रूरत क्या पड़ी. Needs of shape in presentation. So shapes are a great way to make a PowerPoint presentation as visual as possible, giving you clear area that draw the eye and make information easy to understand. To add even more visual flair, we can also crop an image to make it automatically fit inside your shape. So what was the need for inserting the shape? It makes your presentation more good. It looks visually it looks good. Second thing, there are various methods while inserting the shape. Once you insert a shape, you can fill a color in it or you can insert an image in it. So there are various methods. If you want to insert an image in circle, it is possible only through shapes. So this is the need of shapes in presentation. What is the difference between transition and slide animation? So slide transition is जब हम एक स्लाइड से दूसरी स्लाइड पे मूव करते हैं और जो चेंजेस आते हैं they are the slide transitions. एंड एनिमेशन आर द इफ़ेक्ट्स. एनिमेशन वो इफ़ेक्ट होते हैं जो हम किसी एलिमेंट पे लाइक हमने टेक्स्ट बॉक्स पे किसी शेप पे किसी इमेज पे इंसर्ट लगाई है अपनी स्लाइड पे, दैट इज़ नोन एज एनिमेशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट कम हाउ टू ऐड शेप्स. फॉर एडिंग शेप what you have to do, so what you have to do we are having to add a preset shape. वो शेप्स जो पहले से सेट है. सो व्हाट आर द मेथड फॉर इंसर्टिंग दैम. फर्स्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, सेलेक्ट द स्लाइड टू ऐड द शेप. हम ये स्लाइड सेलेक्ट करते हैं, इसी पे शेप ऐड करेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज क्लिक ऑन द इंसर्ट टैब. यू हैव टू गो ऑन द इंसर्ट टैब. और इंसर्ट टैब हमारे पास इल्यूशन ग्रुप है, इलस्ट्रेशन ग्रुप है. इन इलस्ट्रेशन ग्रुप यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन शेप्स. यहाँ पे आपके पास 10 कैटेगरीज आ जाती हैं शेप की. Okay, here are the 10 categories of shapes. You can insert any one of them. Let's select this shape. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to insert it here. So this is the method. We can resize it. For resizing it, you can see the boxes and the circles. These are used to resize them. And this is used, this type of arrow is used to change the place of your shape. So this is the method to insert a shape in your slide. Next one is added points of the shape. How you can add the points. So to edit the point of the shape, select the shape of the slide. आप किसी भी shape को select करेंगे. Then you have to do select the shape of the slide. Select the format tab in the ribbon. आपको क्या ढूंढना है, कहाँ जाना है, format tab पे जाना है. Select added shape from the insert shape group. Select added points. Click and drag the highlighted connection points between the lines to alter the path of the line. Next, click the shape's outline while pressing Ctrl to another movable connection point. Right click on any point to delete it. So let's check it out. So let's select a new slide. This is our new slide. Let's insert any one of the shape. Again I'm selecting this one. Okay, this is a shape. So this is a shape. Now you want to edit it. So what we have to do, we have to right click on it. Here's an option, edit points. तो आप इसके पॉइंट्स को एडिट कर सकते हैं. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू प्रेस द कंट्रोल बटन एंड मूव. Let's have another image. This is your image. What you have to do, just right click on it, edit points. So ये आपके points आ गए. अब आप इसे edit कर सकते हैं like this. If you want to change the shape, then you can easily do it by editing the points. So it is easy to change it. Okay. So this is the method to edit the points of the shape. Next, let's see modify a shape or a text box. When you click a shape or text box, handles will appear with let you manipulate the shape. There are several type of handles. Sizing handle, click and hold and drag the sizing handle. These handles are to change the size until the shape or text box is desired size. मतलब you can change its length and breadth जैसी भी आप चाह रहे हैं. Okay, you can use the corner sizing handles. These are the corner sizing handles. These small boxes, square boxes. Okay, this is used to size the corner, resize the corner. Next is yellow handle. Some shapes have one or more yellow handles that can be used to customize the shape. For example, that arrow, you can adjust the width of the line and arrow. There is an yellow handle. In this image we are having no yellow handle. When I am selecting this image, then there is one yellow handle. Okay, let's check the same with another one. Here also there is no yellow handle. In some images we are one yellow handle or more than one yellow handle, and in some images we are not having even a single yellow handle. So here we are having two yellow handles. You can see one is this and another is this. It is used to change the height and breadth. Next come the rotation handle. Click and hold and drag the rotation handle to rotate the shape. Let's see, हमारे पास इसमें रोटेशन हैंडल है. Here it is. ये जो आपका ऊपर आता है गोल सा बॉक्स बन के, दिस इज यूज्ड फॉर रोटेशन. यू कैन रोटेट योर इमेज. ओके, हियर इज इट इज. दिस विल रोटेट योर इमेज. सेम विद दिस and same with this. You can easily rotate your image. So while modifying the shape or the text box, we are having three type of handles. First one is sizing handle. It will use to change the size. Yellow handle, it is used to customize the shape. And third one is rotation handle. It is used to rotate the image to change the shape style. So what you have to do, choose shape style, allow you to apply preset color and effects to quick change the appearance of your shape or text box. Select the shape or text box you want to change. On the format tab, click the more drop down arrow in the shape style group. Let's start with this topic again. To change the shape style, what we have to do to change the shape style, we have to draw any of the shape. For drawing any of the shape, you have to go on drawing group. In drawing group, there is an option for various shapes. You can select any one of them, like selected the shape. Now what you have to do, You have to go on quick style. On quick style you can select various style for your shape, like this. I'm selecting this shape. Okay, in this shape, okay, this is used to change the shape style. For changing the shape style, what we have to go, we have to go on home tab. In home tab we are having drawing group. In drawing group we are having quick style option. You have to click on quick style option. A drop down menu appear with various styles. You can select any one of them, like this one is different and this one is different, and there is other fills also, like this stick. So you can select any of the style for this. Here is a procedure written that is different from the procedure that I am telling you, because it depends upon the versions of Microsoft PowerPoint we are using. So I am using an older version of Microsoft PowerPoint. In this I am having quick style option. Okay, instead of I am having style shapes option, shape style option. So the options or the procedure may vary from the version of Microsoft PowerPoints. Okay, so no need to get confused between all this. What you have to do, all the options must be available. सारे options होंगे ज़रूर. ये ज़रूर हो सकता है कि कोई कहीं दिया हो, कोई कहीं दिया हो, किसी का procedure different हो, but all the options are available in each and every version that we are using. So this is the what you have to do. You have to go on quick style. From there you can easily change the style of your shape. Next we are having shape fill. In shape fill, a fill is a color, pattern, texture or gradient applied to the interior of a shape. We can add combination of individual effects to your shape in these programs: Excel, Outlook, Word and PowerPoint. We can fill the shapes in Outlook, Word and PowerPoint, Excel, but here we are using PowerPoint. So a fill is a color. जब भी हम कोई shape insert करते हैं, like again I am inserting a shape. This is a shape. Okay, now I want to fill it. वैसे ये पहले से fill है blue color के solid color से, but if I want to fill it again, what I have to do, in home tab, I am already in home tab. On home tab you are having drawing section. In drawing section you are having fill, shape fill option. So from here you can fill the color, easily fill the color. Okay, any of the color of your choice. Okay, and if you don't want to fill a color, instead of you want to fill a picture, अगर आप कलर ना फिल करके पिक्चर फिल करना चाहते हो, आई एम नॉट हैविंग एनी ऑफ द पिक्चर इन माई लैपटॉप. Sorry, I'm not having any of the picture, but we can insert picture in it also. So let's try it once more. देखते हैं कि अगर कोई पिक्चर होती है तो. We have to go on shape fill, pictures, insert. So here is it. आपकी जो सिंबल है, जो शेप है, उसके अंदर हमने क्या किया है, पिक्चर इंसर्ट किया है. सिमिलर यू कैन ऐड एज मच पिक्चर्स और एनी पिक्चर दैट यू वांट टू इंसर्ट. आपको जो भी पिक्चर इंसर्ट करनी है वो आप इसमें इजीली इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. व्हाट इज़ द प्रोसीजर फॉर इंसर्टिंग इट? व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to click on shape fill. On shape fill, once you reach there you have to click on pictures. Okay, and like if I want to fill it with gradient, so here it is. एक पर्पल कलर की बाउंड्री आ गई है. ओके, एंड इफ यू वांट टू फिल इट विथ टेक्सचर, देयर आर वेरियस textures. You can select any one of them, and for more you can click on more textures. See, a texture is filled in the shape. So this is known as shape fill. When you are filling anything in it is known as shape fill. Anything can be a picture, a texture, a pattern, a color, or a gradient. Moving next, now it comes shape outline. Once you insert a shape, you are having the option to outline it also. I am having this image, this shape. Now I have to outline it. For outline, what you have to do, click on home tab. Once you reach on home tab, you have to go on drawing section. In drawing section, you have to click on shape outline. In shape outline, you can outline a shape with any color. Okay, दिस इज़ द मेथड ऑल्सो. अगर आप अपनी शेप को किसी कलर से आउटलाइन करना चाहते हैं ताकि वो और अच्छे से दिखाई दे, तो आप उसको कलर से आउटलाइन कर सकते हैं. प्लस हम उसको डिफरेंट लाइन से भी आउटलाइन कर सकते हैं. लाइक देयर आर वेरियस लाइन्स. फॉर मोर लाइन्स यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस. फ्रॉम हेयर यू आर हैविंग मोर लाइन्स और यू कैन चेंज द विड्थ. सो आई एम सिलेक्टिंग फ्रॉम हेयर ओनली like this. Okay, so this will change the outline. Dashes, instead of a complete line we can use different dashes. Okay, so shape fills in PowerPoint indicate something that is contained within the confines of the shape. Similarly, shape have another attribute known as line or outline. Like we have read earlier कि हमारे पास shape fill होता है, that will fill something inside the shape. ठीक है, indicate that is contained with confines ऑफ द शेप. शेप के अंदर कुछ है. सिमिलरली शेप का एक और एट्रीब्यूट होता है, एक और कैरेक्टर होता है, एक और फीचर होता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज लाइन और आउटलाइन. अ लाइन इज़ द पैरामीटर सराउंडिंग अ क्लोज शेप और द लाइन इटसेल्फ विद इन एन ओपन शेप. सो क्लोज शेप या ओपन शेप की बात नहीं करते हैं यहाँ पे. अ लाइन इज़ अ पैरामीटर. आउटलाइन क्या होगी, किसी भी शेप के बाहर की जो चीज़ है, दैट इज़ नोन एज. लाइक इफ दिस आई एम हैविंग वन मोर शेप. ओके, so even a line or an arrow or a flow, this type of arrow, you can change the outline of this also. It's a single line, but this is also having an outline. See, so it is not that always कि आप शेप की ही बात कर रहे हैं. हम जब एरोज की भी बात कर रहे हैं, in that cases also आप उसकी आउटलाइन को चेंज कर सकते हैं. Next is shape effects. What is shape effect? Add a fill or effect to a shape or text box. If you add an effect to a shape such as shadow and want a different color for that effect, you must change the color of the shadow separately from the fill color. A 3D effect adds depth of the shape. So what is shape effect? Let's take a shape. This is our shape. Now what we have to do, have a shape effect. So there are various shape effects like 3D rotation. You can see जैसे जैसे ऑप्शंस चेंज हो रहे हैं, शेप भी चेंज हो रही है. This is a 3D. Okay, there are various effects. can see the changes. Okay. So these are the shape effects. We are having various shape effects. So in this lesson we learn, in this session we learn how to add the shape, how to change the shapes. For changing or modification of the shapes, we are having 3 handles. We can use any one of them. Apart from them, we are having quick style to style our shapes. Next we are having 3 more options like shape fill. It is used to fill the color, texture, gradient, picture. Shape outline, it is used to outline the shape. We can outline the shape with any color or any type of line or arrow. Next one is shape effect. It apply a visual effect to the selected shape such as shadow, glow, reflection or 3D. This is all about this session. After this session, I am having few questions regarding your last unit, that is presentation. So first question is, write the procedure to add the blank presentation. Write all the options available in paragraph in MS PowerPoint. Write component of PowerPoint window. How to create, save and close presentation. Next, write any 5 type of slide layout. So this is a homework. You all have to do this homework in a notebook and then send me the picture on my WhatsApp number. Thank you, students.